Hi, hello students. Welcome to Let's Understand Physics. We are doing revision series for class 10 students for board exam from light reflection refraction chapter. In the previous videos, I have completed 4 models of previous year question papers. Now let's see question 5, model 5 asked in previous year question paper CBSE 2019. Now let's see. A student holding a mirror, they have not specified what type of mirror it is, in his hand directed the reflecting surface of the mirror towards the sun. The reflecting surface of the mirror is towards the sun. He then directed the reflected light. Once the sun rays falls on the mirror, the rays will get reflected, isn't it? Those reflected light he is concentrating on a sheet of paper held close to the mirror. Now, based on this, they have asked you questions. Let's see. Question A. What should he do to burn the paper? Now, by using those concentrated sun rays, what he has to do? He has to burn the paper, it seems. Now, what he has to do for that? Let's see. Now, when you have a mirror like this and sun, he is concentrating to the sun, isn't it? Sun rays. Let's take sun along with the sun rays. Then they fall on the mirror. He has a paper. On the paper, he has to concentrate on those reflected rays. Let's take the sun rays falling on the mirror, all parallel rays. After reflection, they will come and meet at one point. Now, this is the point. By using this mirror, he is able to concentrate the reflected rays to a sharp point so that this point will act like the sun itself, the real image of the sun. Understood? So, sun will have light and heat energy, isn't it? So, due to this light rays, what happens? At this point, the heat will be developed. As he is concentrating more light, the heat will be more. Then, after some time, due to this heat energy, it starts burning. Understood? Now, to have this burning of the paper, what he has to do? He has to adjust the mirror and the paper in such a way that there will be a sharp small image of sun forms on the paper. Understood? So that is what he has to do. Then let's see question B, what they are asking. Which type of mirror does he use? Very easy, isn't it? What type of mirror he has to use? Here, what is the purpose? Concentrating the light rays. That means all the light rays must converge at a point. So, he should definitely use converging mirror. Converging mirror means what mirror? Concave mirror he has to use. Understood? Which is converging in nature. That means all the light rays are converging at a point. Now question C. Will he be able to determine the approximate value of the focal length of this mirror? So, by using this activity, whether he is able to measure the focal length or not, approximate value is enough it seems. Give reason and draw any ray diagram to justify your answer in this case. So, you have to draw ray diagram to justify this answer. What ray diagram you have to draw? You have to choose. Understood? Now, let's see. First, you know ray diagram to find the focus point, isn't it? What ray diagram you will draw? The first case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's just draw those lines. Then you will have pole, focus and center. This point you know. Generally we draw. But this point how do you get? By simply taking the light rays parallel to principal axis. 2 rays are enough. I am just taking 4 rays. so that they will be reflecting back onto the principal axis. So they all reflect back like this and they meet at one particular point. This point, what do we call? We call it as focus. So the distance between focus and pole, we call it as focal length, isn't it? So this is the actual focal length what we generally get by using some activity to find the focal length of the mirror. But here, as the object is taken as sun, actually to find actual focal length itself, the distant object we have to use, which is sun only. That is the best choice, isn't it? Now in this case, parallel rays we have to take, but we don't take parallel rays to the principal axis. We'll just take two rays which are like this. Now let's take mirror, and I have done silvered surface. This is pole. Focus will be here and center. Understood? Generally you have to take sun rays, isn't it? Let's take one ray which is passing through focus. How it gets reflected? It will be parallel to the principal axis, isn't it? Now the second ray I am taking, which is passing through center of curvature. When it is passing through center of curvature, the reflected ray will be retracing its own path, isn't it? First, if you have to draw reflecting ray, it has to touch the mirror. Make sure it touching the mirror and then reflecting back. Somewhere here these two are meeting. Understood? So if these are the sun rays, infinite rays are meeting, they are not actually meeting at this point. What is happening? They are meeting somewhere here. So like this, if you take a plane perpendicular to the focus point, then this plane we call it as focal plane. Understood? So the sun's image will be forming on this focal plane. If you join here like this from focus, let us take this image as A dash B dash. You will have P B dash. P B dash is the distance which you can take it as focus. This is focus and this is focal length. Understood? So this P B dash we can take it as focal length of this concave mirror. Understood? So this is the ray diagram you have to draw to show that by this way we can measure the approximate focal length of the concave mirror by using this activity. I hope everybody understood this video and this question, which is asked in 2019 CBSE board question paper of science. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel for more physics videos and share the video to your friends and family for studying class 10 CBSE. Thank you.